Hello, I'm making this video to show you how to change the data source for the report I created for you. I'm using a dummy report as this video is intended to be used by multiple customers and I don't want to expose the information of any customer to anyone else. So here we go. So to change the data source for the Power BI report I created for you, you need to open the file in Power BI desktop. Then you need to click on the transform data drop down and select data source settings, and after that it would show you a list of all the data sources that we have connected to this report. It could be one, it could be more than one, depending on your requirements. So you need to change the data source for each single item on this list. In our case we just have one item, so I need to select it, and once it is highlighted I need to click on change source, and assuming that this is an Excel file I need to navigate to the folder where this file exists. So I prefer to come here to the file or the folder where I received that file and copy the directory, and then go back to Power BI and go to browse and paste the directory over here and hit enter. And finally I need to select the Excel file that I would like to connect to this Power BI report. So I'll select it here and click on open. Once I do this I need to click OK. So this is how to change the data source for an Excel file. If we connect to a SQL database, for example, you would need to provide your username and password in order to make that change. So once done with changing the data source for each single data source on this list, we need to click on close, and then we will have this yellow message asking us to apply the changes we made. So we need to hit apply changes. It will take a while to load, and when it finishes we would have properly established a connection between this Power BI report and its data sources.